big mistake that I see a lot of videographers and photographers do. They focus so much on how many likes, how many interactions that they get on their videos or their photos. Now, please get me very clear. I'm not saying that it's not good to have a lot of interactions and a lot of likes, but getting a lot of likes on a photo, getting a lot of likes on a video does not dictate how you run your business. It doesn't make you get a lot of business based on how many likes, based on how many shares and stuff like that. That is great, but you have to have a certain confidence about yourself, a certain confidence about your work, a certain confidence about your style. That's what's gonna speak volumes to your potential customers. Not based on how many likes you got, not based on how many shares you got. Again, all those analytics are good for me. Those are good for you, the business owner, and it's good for your page and all that stuff. But that is not what is going to get you business. That is not what's gonna give you that longevity. You have to focus on the quality of your work, the confidence of your work, and the style and the creativity of your work. We should be focusing on doing business first. As we continue to do business, as we continue to expose ourselves and put ourselves out there, yes, you're gonna get more likes, yes, you're gonna get more interactions. That will come naturally, hopefully. That is the hope, right? But the main foundation of you and your business and your work and your art should be your confidence in what you are producing. There's no number of likes that can show how confident a person is. You have to know that for yourself, and don't be justified by a little number at the bottom with a heart beside it. Be justified in how much quality and effort and dedication you put into your work. Focus on yourself and focus on your craft. For more tips, please stick around. See you next time in the Pixel Room.
Yeah.